what came in the mail. Look how big that is. It's bigger than my table. I had to slide it all the way to the other side of the truck just so it wouldn't smash up my microphone. Look at the size of that box. What could be in there? Don't look at the thumbnail. Just whatever you do, don't look at the thumbnail. Okay, I have quite a few packages to unbox today, but this big one needs to be the first. Now I'm gonna unbox it, but I'm gonna need help setting it up. So today is just gonna be an unboxing. And as a little hint, if you haven't seen the thumbnail, if you've seen the thumbnail, this is the hint. The awning on my RV is like 30 years old or something crazy. It's held up pretty good though. This is a 1988 Holiday Rambler. And the awnings are pretty good. Except for little spots. Underneath where it connects right there, it's starting to kind of fray from rolling it up and rolling it down all these years. And the same with these little ones. They are starting to kind of mess up. But the canvas here isn't too bad on a lot of them. It's that metal part. I need to figure out where to get that. And I'm assuming the people that sent me that box probably have that metal also, but that metal's not in the box. So what is inside the box is an RV awning, if you couldn't already tell. This company called Fonzier, like Fonzie, like, hey, Fonzier. They went ahead and, the company's called Fonzier Direct. They went ahead and sent me this for free. So it's going to be an unboxing video. I get to make my own decisions about the product, you know, how it feels and everything, and the build quality of the product. And I can speak my own mind if I like it, if I think it's cheap, if I think it's too thin, if I think it's not going to last. They're giving me the option to give my honest opinion of the product. So I'm going to do that. But what I'm not going to do is I will not be putting it on today, just due to the fact I'm by myself, and I don't think I am skilled enough to actually climb up the ladder, slide it through that, drag it down here, pull this all the way down, put it through that slot, and slide that end all the way down. And I just don't think I'm skilled enough to actually do this all by myself. So I'm going to wait for Steph stuck in a truck to come home, and we could do it together. She can get frustrated, I can get frustrated. It's going to be a big, frustrated, fun mess, but we're going to get it done. But this video, I'm just going to share the link with you guys in case you guys might need a new awning, have an older RV and need one. I mean, it's going to be nice. Trying to fix Cousin Eddie up because I don't know how much longer I'm going to have him, because I am looking for like a pull behind trailer, maybe a pop-up or something. And I have some friends that might need Cousin Eddie here, and you know, I might donate him, or I might have to sell him to get a trailer. But if I can get a trailer, I'm gonna donate him. But and when he goes, I'd like him to be in pretty good shape and look fantastic. And I think what's in that box is gonna help with the cosmetics anyway. At least from what I've seen on Instagram and the link that I will have in the description below this video. Now, when they sent me this, they did ask me to measure my awning. I used the iPhone to measure because the iPhone does have a measuring, augmented reality measuring tool. I didn't have a measuring tape. So I actually used my iPhone, started at one end, went to the other, found out mine was 18 feet, 3 inches long-wise. I don't know how all stretched out it is, but lengthwise of the RV, it's 18 feet long. And so they needed the specific information, you know, what size you need, obviously. You don't want to put like a 5-footer on a 33-foot RV motorhome. Ugh. Okay, let's rip this open. I am not going to use an unboxing knife because I don't feel I need one. And I just got off the phone with Steph, stuck in the truck. She goes, you know, if you take it out of that box, you're never going to get it back in the box. So I'm doing this to prove her wrong. Because that's what guys do. There's another box within the box. Oh. Actually, let's show you here. The name of the company is Fonzie. See what I mean? It's like kind of like Fonzie, but not. Let's put that there. Actually, stuff stuck in the truck might be right. I may not be able to get it back in this box. I just want to see what color it is though. And I am going to need an unboxing knife for this box. I thought everything was in that box. It's not. Oh, okay, no unboxing knife. I couldn't find one, but I did find a kitchen knife. So let's go ahead and start cutting into this box before my microphone battery dies, because I have not charged it again. Wouldn't it be terrible if I cut on a brand new awning that no holes in it, no leaks, and I cut it with a kitchen knife? That would be awful. Yeah, I don't want to unroll this just yet because, like I said, we're not putting it on, but I do want to see the color. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be. Man, you get a lot of stuff from Amazon where the boxes are not this well put together. This one is actually put together. Not only did they tape it, they sealed it. Leave this label uncovered. So, okay, come on. Yeah, this is they did a good job with this. I'm just gonna be like Christmas and open it up. Okay, let's take it out. Ugh. Okay, this is a brown one. I could tell from underneath. They wrapped it up with the white, the underbelly, the white that we would see down here. But the one that they sent me, no, it's a white one. It's white inside and out. It does have a 100% warranty. Let me break this stuff out so I can show you guys. 100% warranty. Don't know if you guys can see that. Also with instructions. I heard my awning flip up. It's a little bit breezy today. On both sides, actually gives you step by step. The tools you're going to need. Not bad. It does specifically state that some of the tools you may need. So this is just some of the tools you may need. All these tools are not included, obviously. Otherwise, that box would be 500 pounds heavier. Yeah, but so this is not my RV, obviously, because I have a motorhome and that is a trailer. But it looks like some of this, like some of the photos here on how to are motorhomes along with trailers. So it's going to work. It's going to work just fine. But I am a little bit nervous about it. That's why I need help. Because I actually need help with number 6 here, which is the end of the awning that rolls down. I think that's going to be the tough part, because you have to take the arms and everything off. I'm wondering if I can con my mechanics. I could drive the RV to work and buy my mechanics a pizza and some beer and have them do it for me while I record video of me sweating holding the camera while they enjoy mounting the awning. That might be my next video. Stay tuned to find out. If you guys would like a new awning, very inexpensive from what I looked at on Amazon. Like I said, I did get this one for free to do a couple videos on, so I'm going to be doing those videos. Right now it's just a quick unboxing. So far, hold on a second. Okay, let me take this out here in the sun. Okay, my awning that came in Cousin Eddie is more of a fabric. It's very fabric-y, underneath and above. It's like a fabric, waterproof fabric. This one here is more of a plasticky, I would say. Now there may be fabric underneath the other side if once I unroll it and check it out. But if it is similar to the underbelly here, it is like a, it's kind of like a, when you, if you didn't live in a rich household when you were a kid, right? And your parents bought you a swimming pool, the kind that the up above ground swimming pools, that rubbery lining, it's kind of like that. So it's definitely going to be waterproof. I think it would be a lot stronger in the Florida rains. I don't know what it's going to be like rolling up, rolling down, rolling up, rolling down for many, many, many years. You know, that's to be seen. I don't know if it's going to hold up as well as the fabric, but it's going on Cousin Eddie no matter what. And then we'll figure out, and maybe I'll just store Cousin Eddie's here because it's, after 30 something years, it's still in good shape. You know, maybe it just needs a little love and tender care. Is that the words? But yeah, we're going to get this going probably in the next week or two. And like I said, I'll probably just have my mechanics do it. So tune in for that. Until the next time, check the link below if you're interested in anything like this. And I think they even sent me a discount code. And if there is one in my email, I think I'll place that discount code in the description also. Until the next time, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys maybe with a new awning from down the road. Peace out, everybody.